welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is If you're new to my channel and if you like this video, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. And also, please hit the notification bell so you'll get notified in my next videos. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you, especially those who have watched, liked, and commented in this video. So in today's video, I would like to share to you how the step-by-step application process of Cyberbacker should be done.
Alright, so let's talk about Cyberbacker. Cyberbacker is a leading provider of world-class administrative support services to anyone in the world. Cyberbacker has 3,200 plus Cyberbackers worldwide. They are everywhere. Cyberbacker offers 100% work from home. Alright, when you're working at home, that means you're free from traffic. You're not going to go anywhere to travel to work, right? Here in Cyberbacker, you're free from traffic. And because you're working at home, that means most of your time is with your family, especially your kids, if you have kids, right? Okay, and there's no dress code when you're working at home as long as you are presentable enough to face to your clients or to your business meetings. That's all right. Okay, so you can just wear your t-shirt as long as it's not revealing clothes. So it's all right. Okay, so Cyberbacker also offers work because here at Cyberbacker, you're not just earning money here, but also you are investing. You are improving your skill set. Once you have greater skill set, that means you have opportunities to earn more money. Okay? Alright, that's life. Here in Cyberbacker, there's no delays and no hassle. You will get paid on time. So that's good, right? Okay. Now here, we have many more opportunities or many positions available, alright? So because you're applying, that means you need to tick on the box the position that you wish to apply, alright? So they have their lead backer, Cyberbacker, fund relations, listing backer, body backer, bookkeeper backer, and many more. So a lot of positions available for you to apply. Okay? Now let's talk about Cyberbacker application process. Alright? So first is you go to Cyberbacker, www.cyberbacker.ph/apply. Alright, so go to your browser, then type in www.cyberbacker.ph/apply. And enter. Once you enter, you will reach this page. Okay, you are one of those applicants. You have to be vigilant. You have to be more careful. Then you have to fill out the application form. Once reach here, you have to click apply. Then all you need to do is you have to fill in those personal information like first name, last name, mobile number should be active all the time so that any time of the day, Cyberbacker will always inform you. Alright, then active email address, birth date, address, and of course you have to know, right? You have to write your bio here and upload your resume. So resume can be created in Canva. Alright? You know Canva. I hope you know Canva because Canva is so helpful, right? Okay. So every time I applied in position that you're applying. As I've said earlier, you can just click on the box, the position that you're applying for. Okay, then other online jobs you're currently employed, you can tick yes or no. And where did you hear about us? Just tick on just click everything here. Then refer body, so you can write the name who referred you. If there's someone, you can write. Or if there's none, just leave or just skip. We'll proceed to case. Okay, so simple says speak to you the most. Census answers question according to the way you personally feel. And once done, you will proceed to Y assessment. Y assessment, it helps to understand the reasons that drive individuals to utilize their talents in the unique way they do. This will determine your motivators and drivers. Okay, so if we're because we are working, right? Because we're employees, so we try harder. We work harder because we wanted to do more, or we wanted to achieve our dreams, our ambitions. So, yan. So, kaya is, you will know kanino ka bumaba. Alright? Okay. So, example number 1, which of the following would you achieve first? So, house, car, savings, investments. So, as for me, my first thing to achieve is saving. I need to save. Then I need to save because I wanted to invest in more businesses. And once the business is growing, so that's when I will purchase a house and a car. Okay, so that's it. Example number 2, whom will you reach after joining an organization? Your parents, relatives, siblings, or friends. So you just need to arrange it from the best they say. Okay? Alright. Then once done in the Y assessment, you will now proceed to initial interview. So the initial interview will be conducted on a first come, first served basis. Alright, so use your home computer via Zoom during the initial interview. So if you don't have home computer, you can just use your laptop. Okay, so they're open 24/7, so you can come in anytime you want without setting an appointment. Because once you pass the Y assessment, Cyberbacker will send you an email for you to be able to attend. Once you have the link, you will now free to attend in any time of the day without setting an appointment. Just show. Right after interviewed, you will now wait for the results that will be sent via email. Once you pass the initial interview, you will now proceed to Cyberbacker personality assessment. If you want me to create another video on Cyberbacker initial interview and more on CBPA, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay? Alright. Now once past the Cyberbacker personality assessment, then you'll have your final interview. Finally. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Alright, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!